Once again, we would like to welcome you to the first ever HARMAN Connect Day Philippines 2024!
Hi, I'm Nick Screen. I'm the Director of Audio Solutions and Channel Sales at HARMAN Professional APAC. We're here in the Philippines for our first HARMAN Connect Day. The turnout has been absolutely fantastic.
Great to be in Philippines hosting the HARMAN Connect Day. Philippines is a very important and a strategic market for HARMAN, and it is a very high technology market. The Philippine customers and end users have a very high awareness of technology in the audio, video and lighting space.
I'd just like to say thank you to all our partners for supporting us, helped put this event together, and also thank you so much for all the attendees. It's been a wonderful event, great engagement, and we hope to go from strength to strength in the Philippines.
We will continue to invest in this market, both in terms of people and our presence, and making sure that we showcase the latest products that we have. We wish the country great success in its journey to becoming a high technology audio, video, lighting country adoption. Thank you.
Let us all give a big hand also to the HARMAN Group for organizing this wonderful event for us.